Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. This lecture is about what is function, then how it is declared, then how it is calling with or without argument. So let's start with the function definition. It is a block of code that perform a specific task. In Python, the function is defined using the def keyword, DEF. The syntax for function definition is def keyword, then function name, then parenthesis, then colon, and after that the body of the function. So this is the function definition. Now the next is how the function is called. So to call a function we used function name followed by the parenthesis. The syntax is function name and then parenthesis. Now we can also pass the arguments or parameters in function. So arguments are specified after the function name inside the parenthesis. We can add multiple arguments and they are separated by comma. The syntax is def, then function name, and in this we pass the parameters. We can pass multiple parameters. Then the function body, and in function calling again we have to pass the same parameters, means number of parameters are equal as the function definition. And if we call the function without parameter value, then it uses the default value which is specified in the function definition. This is the example of default parameter value. Like in this, we use the default value in the definition as Rajasthan. So when we will not pass any value in the function calling, then it will take the default value as the Rajasthan. Now return statement. The use of return statement is to returning a value. For example, in this we use the return statement in the function definition. So it will return the value and print in after the function calling. Now let's see the demonstration of functions in Python. So this program is related to addition of three numbers. So start with the function definition. We use def keyword, then add is a function name, and in this we pass three arguments a, b and c, and c has the default value as 7. Now we will add the three values and assign to the d variable, and then we will print the value of d. Then we use the function calling. So we use add function, and in this we pass three values 3, 4, 5. So it will take the value of c as 5 because we are assigning the value 5, and then second in this we use only pass two arguments, so it will take the value of c as a by default value which is 7. So after the execution the result is 12 and 17. So this is the basic concepts of functions in Python. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.